So we had a question in one of the Facebook groups about an essential oil blend. The soap maker was looking for an essential oil blend and listed the essential oils that she had at hand at that point in time. So I wanted to show you the exact process and the tools that are out there available that you can use to create essential oil blends for you, and you can either use them as is or you can use that as a base to start off with. So I am going to CHAT GPT, my favorite AI tool, and I am going to ask CHAT GPT, give me an essential oil blend for a hemp seed powder cold processed soap. I have the following essential oils at hand, and I'm gonna just list out spearmint. I'm gonna just take them out here. Lemongrass. I have lavender. I have peppermint. Cedar, atlas, pink, pepper seed. I have rose geranium, grapefruit, ruby, and I have cinnamon. I also have tea tree. And I'm going to press enter. And here it's going to spit out a recipe using everything that I have listed there. It is nice enough actually to give me an additional options, and then it's going to give you instructions for the soap. So you will notice that it gives the blend in drops. As a soap maker, you do not want to use the drops. You have to run your essential oil blend, or even if it's just one essential oil you're going to use, through EO Calc. I'm not going to go into the technical details of using essential oils in your soap. You can learn that as you go along, or you can watch some other technical soap making videos. Now I'll actually put a link down below to Ansa Smit's channel. She is doing a great job in giving technical training when it comes to actual soap making, where I focus more on the tools and things that you can use in your business to accelerate your business. So you will notice here, like the drop, so I'm going to say, give me the combinations in percentage. And now it's going to give me like 1%, 1%, 0.5%. So this will be of your batter. Alright, so remember that it's 1% of your batter, 1%. So for this entire combination, you have to go and work it out again, all the technical aspects of how you do that in EO Calc. I'm not going to address today. So it gives me one or two options for the entire list. So I'm going to ask, give me more essential oil blend combinations from the list. And there you go. It's going to actually give me suggestions for names. You can use those names as is. You can test them out, but you can start off with these. I am going to ask, so what I actually do want to do is I want the percentage for the blend as part of that blend. So give me the percentage of each oil as 100% of the blend. There you go. So now I know when I go to EO Calc, I can enter 20% of peppermint oil, 20% of spearmint, 20% of lemongrass. So that makes it easier. So this is an example. I'm going to ask, give me more combinations written in the same format. There you go. So there is a whole list of essential oil combinations that you can use. What you can even go further, and if you decide, let's say you decide you're going to use the citrus spice awakening, you can say, give me the note description for the citrus spice awakening. There you go, top notes. It will tell you which ones are the top notes, which ones are the middle notes, and which ones are the base notes. There's an accent note. So here's what I want to tell you about using this tool. The exceptional soap maker will get this information and become familiar with this information. The soap maker who's out there just to make a quick buck and probably won't be able to sustain his or her business is just going to use this, and there's going to be no understanding of what that means, which is not the business person you want to be. So I hope this was useful. Please use this to educate yourself and not just to pick things because you think it's going to make you a ton of money. Let me know if there are any other questions and tools you want me to talk about when it comes to running your business and getting your soap business up and running as soon as possible.